Located in the Garden Creek School District, this 4-bedroom Cape Cod is a house that truly feels like a home.
Welcome to 375 Springhill Road.
From the large foyer, head into the spacious yet cozy living room.
Next, we have the bright formal dining room,
which leads to the eat-in kitchen, which has laundry and doors to the back deck.
Off the kitchen is the spacious mudroom with a half bath.
Finishing off this level, you'll find the office with built-in cabinetry.
Let's head upstairs,
where you'll find 4 bedrooms and the home's main bathroom.
including the primary with a walk-in closet.
.375 Springhill Road has an attached double-car garage, a partially finished walkout basement,
and there's even more to love about this home with this spacious loft.
Thanks for watching. For more information on 375 Springhill Road,
visit realtor.ca.